I have spent the last 7 months testing over 1,000 AI tools. Based on that testing, I have compiled a list of free AI tools that, if you use them today, will be incredibly valuable to you tomorrow. Whether you are a student, teacher, or working professional, this tool will be valuable to you. Without further ado, let us get started on the video. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed, because it takes countless hours to find these free AI tools.
The first tool is Quillbot. So this is AI writing and grammar checker tool. This is amazing tool for a student. So this is a Chrome extension. So we'll have to add it firstly. Then again, you will have to come to the website quillbot.com. And there are so many things like paraphraser, grammar checker, co-writer, paragrammage checker, summarizer, translator. So there are so many options. All the options are amazing. Let me check the paraphrasing. Here you will have to paste the text, paraphrase. See the magic. They rephrase whole sentences. Amazing. Nobody could catch you. You have copied directly from anywhere. To the next tool, symbolab.com. So here you will have to enter a problem. Any kind of problem, math, related to math or anything. See, suppose I have entered this problem and see the magic. And see, they resolve the problem in 2 seconds. See, and even in details. So this is amazing tool. With the graph also they have resolved the problem. So this is amazing tool for any kind of problem like algebra, pre-calculus, Hansen, geometry. So any kind of problem, finance, economics, physics, chemistry, any kind of problem you have, just you will have to enter here your problem and they will resolve your problem within 5 seconds. If you are stuck anywhere, so they will resolve your problem. So this is amazing. So come to the next website, ChatGPT. This is one of the most popular AI tools nowadays, guys, because this will resolve any kind of problem you have. So let me show you how it works. You will have to give the prompt here and click enter and see the magic. So they will give you any answers in the world exist. Any kind of answers, it exists. It's one of the best AI in the world right now. To the next tool, chatpdf.com. You will have to upload any kind of PDF you have. And simply you can chat with this PDF. I have uploaded a project report PDF and you can simply chat with this PDF. Whatever information you want with this PDF, you can chat with them. Ask with this PDF what was the findings, any kind of answers you want with this related PDF, and they will give you answers. So if you have long project report, if you have dissertation report, research paper, any kind of book PDF, you can simply type it and you can find the answers. So this is also very important tools for the students. Come to the next website, Scribe. This AI tool will generate automatically a step-to-step guides for any process in just seconds. I give you guarantee that you would love this AI tool because this AI tool is mind-blowing. So let's see how it works. So firstly, you will have to add this Chrome extension. Then again come to the website scribehow.com and click new. Click capture as Scribe. Suppose I have to change the language of Gmail. So setting, all setting, change language setting, click edit, choose save, click on extension, complete capture. And see, they made the whole process and see the magic, the whole process they have given us. Firstly come to the website, click here, the whole thing is highlighted. Third process, fifth process, click here, click here, click here. We'll have to choose the language here. So they have made a screenshot out of it. So this is amazing. You can simply share this with anyone. They will make a step-to-step guide to any process. So this is amazing tool. Come to the next website, Doctrina AI. Imagine if you get questions before examination, so you would feel like you will be top in the examination, right? So this AI tool will give you the questions before examination. So let's see how it works. Simply you will have to sign up. After sign up, this kind of interface will come. Here you will have to select a topic or a specific book. You have to learn about any general topic. So we'll have to select general topic. Otherwise, if you have to learn about the whole book, here you will have to give the name of that book. Write the author name, difficulty, hard. Click submit. And see, they have given the question out of it. So you can prepare all these questions. Even you can search any topic, any particular topic you have to learn. Suppose I have to learn about Nalanda University. Click submit and see, they will give the questions out of it. So this, and see, they have given the important questions. So you can prepare it on any topic you want. So this is amazing tool. If you want to get top in the examination, so you can prepare with this. The next website is Gamma.app. No matter who you are a student, you are a teacher, you are a working professional, PowerPoint presentation is very, very important for everyone's life. So now with the help of this AI tool, you will be able to generate presentation in just 1 minute. Just you will have to come to this website, click presentation, the topic of the presentation. Suppose I given the topic, click enter. They will generate the outline, continue. See, the PowerPoint presentation will be ready. This is amazing. They have added images, graphs, everything. So in just 1 minute, you will be able to make presentations. This AI tool will generate presentation in any topic you want. So come to the next website, SuperMeme AI. So with the help of this AI tool, just you will have to give the prompt, what kind of meme you want, and just click generate. They will generate awesome meme, 100% free. Simply download it. Create any kind of meme you want and you can be popular in your class. So come to the next website, Magic Eraser. You will be able to erase anything you want from the document, from any images. So simply you will have to upload the image. So this is the image I have uploaded. Suppose I have to remove this child from this image. So simply you will have to blur. Click erase. And see, it got vanished. So you can erase any images you want. You can erase any document you want. So this is amazing tool and 100% free, and there is no sign up required. Next tool is Paper Digest. So this is the tool where you can rewrite the scientific literature. Simply click literature review. Simply you will have to write the literature topic. Click generate. And see, there are showing 10 research papers very similar to this topic. You can just open it and you can use it. So this is amazing tool to rewrite or review or a project report, dissertation report, or any kind of research paper. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day all.